Welcome to Talmudic Treasures. Today we're learning Chagigah, page 12, which continues to discuss some of the details of the creation of the world. Specifically, on the first day of creation, the Talmud here tells us that there were actually 10 things that God created. One of them, which is explicitly mentioned in the beginning of Genesis, is that God created Or. Hashem wanted light, and he said, "Let there be light," Vahi Or, and there was in fact light. The difficulty, which many people ask, which is actually found on this page, is that we know it wasn't until day 4 when God created the sun, the moon, and the stars. So how do we understand that God created light on the first day when in fact we don't see the sun, the moon, the stars until the 4th day? So one explanation that the Talmud says is that he created the concept of light on the first day, but it didn't actually put it into motion until the 4th day when he created these celestial beings. Alternatively, it's not referring to the light that we know. Rather, it's referring to a special type of light that was so bright and so powerful that it literally could light up the entire world from one side to the next. However, as the Talmud here says, because God saw that there would be future generations, like the generation of the flood and the dispersion, that were going to end up doing inappropriate and wrong things, so he hid that light, and he saved it for the righteous in the future. On this, the Baal Shem Tov tells us something quite fascinating. Even though it is true that it is hidden, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It's something in which just can't be seen, because it's hidden, which implies that if you look hard enough, there's the possibility that you will be able to find that light. And on this, the Baal Shem Tov explains, where is that light? It's found in the depth and studying of Torah. When a person opens up their mind and heart and learns the Torah in the most proper, heartfelt way, then just like that light bulb that, so to speak, goes on the top of our minds, we feel and sense something which is extremely powerful. And on this he says, that is this special light that was hidden. But we have the ability to find it. We just have to open up our eyes and our hearts and to study. And by doing that, we'll be able to have this great, powerful light that God created all the way back into our lives today.